Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Sawant here. I'm a celebrity astrologer, tarot reader, ghost communicator, numerologist. I do a lot of things. You can check my details on my website on the link which I'm posting it out here. This video is going to be an unboxing and review of this deck, the Hidden Truth Oracle cards. Let's see how the cards are and how are the meanings and everything in these cards. Let's do the unboxing of this deck. This deck is known as Hidden Truth Oracle cards. It's by All Things Intuitive Company. Okay, let's see what's there in these cards. These are oracle cards. Each card will have a bunch of flower image on it and a text, a message of each card. It will denote something to reveal about a relation or a situation in your life. So these are total 54 cards. These are oracle cards. So let's go ahead and see what are the message written on each cards. Messages are very specific. When you do readings, it will help you to get a closure in the relation or the question what you're asking in. Mostly I'll recommend this deck if you are looking for a reading for relationships, or it could be a friendship reading. This deck will reveal good answers for that and get closure onto a relationship questions. Thickness of the card is okay, like that they are smooth. Thickness is good. I like the deck. It's quite good in messages. How you can use this deck? It's an oracle card, so you ask the deck a question. Either you can shuffle it, or either you can utilize in by spreading the deck and asking a question, and it will reveal. Okay, so like for example, I'm just shuffling it. Why is my client's husband taking divorce from her? Why is my client? So technically it shows that the relationship does not have an issue. It is just showing that ego clashes are going on, and he is trying to reconsider the relationship as there is no problem in the relationship. Okay. Okay. What is my friend's in-law thinking about her? Sorry, I'm not mentioning the name of my friend because of privacy. See, the in-laws feel that my friend is hiding things from them, whereas they feel they are noting every details about her life. Um, Technically, you see, my friend keeps on feeling forgiveness towards them. Like, you know, if she has done anything wrong, she keeps on saying sorry and tries to work on it. But they keep on doubting on her because they have some misunderstanding going on in their mind. um, as it shows, I left when I saw you with someone. So this shows that insecurity of their in-laws. They have some misunderstandings, and it shows that the in-laws were distracted from knowing the truth. So knowing her pain. So technically, it's all about misunderstanding which has been created in a relationship, nothing else. So here, this cards are revealing such beautiful messages and clearing all the doubts. I hope you like this cards. Let's meet to the next video. Something more related to cards is coming up. Thank you. God bless. This is a review from my end. This is a review from my end. I love these cards for interpretation, and it's really beautiful. Keep up with the good work. All things intuitive company, keep up with your good work. God bless.